Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the Remini app, a powerful tool to enhance and restore your old or low quality photos. Whether you have got blurry pictures or just want to make your photos sharper, more detailed, Remini can help. Let me show you how does this app work. Let's download the Remini app. Head over to the App Store on iOS, Play Store on Android, search for Remini and download and open the app. Once the app opens, you will be asked to allow all the permissions, so you have to allow it. Then you have to choose your gender, as here I am selecting male. Then you have to select here second option because we are basically looking for this feature. Then you will be asked to buy subscription for more features. Like here you can see 1000 rupees per week. But I'm not buying this subscription, so click here to get 1 week free trial. And then they will ask for verification. If you are using iOS, then after verification, you can see here lots of AI features are available. Here at the bottom of screen, you can see 4 options like Enhance, AI Photos, AI Filters and other tools. First, click on Enhance. You can enhance your photos here by simply selecting your photos from gallery. I will show you how it actually works further. Then here you can see AI photos where you can generate photos like this. I have selected this image and you can see the result. You can also generate hugging effects. Here you have to select 2 images with whom you want to hug with and here you can see result. It takes few minutes and by clicking here you can export. So this is how this AI features work. This app also offers video enhancers, but to use this you need to have subscription. Now let's try this aesthetic effect. Just click on whatever effect you want. Like I'm choosing this, click here and select and add your 8 selfies so that AI will create accurate face effect. And wait for a while and here you can see the result. And click here to export. To use this feature for free, we need to continue with ads. So watch ads to use this feature free. By tapping here, you can improve the quality of photo. If you have a photo in mind, go ahead and select it from your gallery. Like I'm choosing this one. Once you have selected your image, the app will upload it. Make sure the photo is clear enough for the app to work its magic. After uploading, you will see a preview of your photo. To begin enhancing, tap on the Enhance button. Remini will now process the image. This takes a few seconds depending on the size of your photo. Once the enhancement is complete, you can compare the original photo with the enhanced one. If you are happy with the result, go ahead and save it to your phone by tapping on the save button. You can also share it directly to social media. Now, if you are using the free version of the app, you may have limited credits for processing photos. To continue using the app without restrictions, you can choose to upgrade to premium version for more credits and extra features. By watching ads, you can earn extra credits if you are running low. That's pretty much it. As you can see, Remini is super easy to use and gives amazing results, especially with old or blurry photos. Try it out and let me know how it works for you in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.